Okay, so my favorite food in India was actually roti, but it's not that much available, so I only ended up having it once. So I'm hoping it's much more available in Sri Lanka, which I think it is. Trying to see, I want to try it. Hello. You have roti? No roti. Okay. Thank you. Unlucky first try, but I reckon we can try another one. Because there's a few of these hotels. Hi guys. Hi. Hello. Hello, do you have roti? Egg roti? No egg roti? No. Okay, thank you, thank you. So, I might have the same issue like in India. Not a lot of roti. Maybe it's later on? I don't know. But for now, let's make a new plan. I'm trying to find some egg roti. I'm trying to find some egg roti. You know where I can get?
No, working.
Working?
I'm just taxi.
Do you know where there is egg roti?
What?
Egg roti? Roti.
Roti?
Yes.
No, no, kana, no.
No roti?
No.
Okay.
No rice, no.
No rice?
This side have rice.
Rice?
Please.
Place here? Okay. But no roti?
Wait, come. This two, wait, English.
English? Hello, sir. I would like to find some roti. Roti to eat.
Paratha roti.
Roti.
Or egg roti? Egg roti.
Egg roti. Yes, they have that.
Okay.
This side.
This side?
Navagiri hotel.
Come.
Oh, you show me. Thank you.
Yeah, come. Okay.
I will come. What's your name, sir? Name?
Sinhala, Sri Lanka. Good, no?
A little bit. Good photo.
Okay. Go. No.
Okay. It's working. Make video, yes. Photo, video, everything. So you say you know an egg roti place?
No, working, no. I am.
Maybe we are in luck.
I know you see that.
Thank you, sir. So no egg roti?
No, sir.
Okay.
We have.
There's other place? Thank you. I passed by that place before and asked, and they didn't have, but
This roti. This cutting. Hot roti. Good.
Kotu roti?
Yeah.
Okay, so no egg roti.
Have.
You have egg roti?
Mutoti. Okay. Have.
Okay.
Wait. This paratha.
Perfect.
This roti. This whole cutting.
Cutting.
Yeah.
Okay.
This good.
Good.
Chicken. Egg.
Okay.
Wait. Okay. This good.
Perfect, yeah.
Good. Sri Lanka.
Yes, good. Thank you very much for the help. You're a very good man.
Wait. I am working this.
You're working, yes.
Yeah.
Working hard.
Working. No. Tomorrow. All.
Tomorrow is closed.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Boxing.
Yeah.
Fighting. Sri Lanka minister boxing.
Oh, yeah.
Big money.
Give money.
Oh yeah. You eating?
Yes.
Eating. This good.
Okay.
This paratha.
I believe you.
This roti.
This
This
roti.
all cutting.
Okay.
Hello. Sabra. Hello. அப்படியே போடுங்க உட்காருங்க இந்த போடுங்க
Very noisy.
Egg, paratha. This rice.
Rice, yes. Yes. I will eat rice
No,
later.
correct.
Yes, no power.
No.
Yeah.
Sri Lanka, no good.
Yeah. Sri Lanka good, but situation no good.
No good, no light,
Yeah.
no minister, no boxing.
Do you want to eat? Do you want some food? Okay, yeah. Take one for you also, yeah. I buy one for you.
Okay, here.
Okay.
Come sit. Okay.
Yes, yes.
This rice, good.
Rice, yes.
Chicken.
What do you want? What you want?
No, go.
You don't want?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Roti.
Roti.
You okay? I am okay.
Okay.
Okay, you want?
One roti for me, one for you. Oh, very nice. This is the roti.
Yeah.
Okay.
This egg.
Oh,
Egg.
very nice.
Egg.
He's real master chef.
This good boy.
Good boy, very good. Yes. Good machan.
And రెండు పోడు రెండు వేలు కొనండి ఇక్కడ కొనండి ఒక్కరా కమ్ స్టిక్
I just want to see.
ఓకే
I want to see how make.
కట్టి అంటే వేరే ఉంది పెట్టుకుంటే అదే వేరే
I just want to see cook. I see. You can sit if you want. I come.
you come very easy.
Yeah, good. I just want to see how it's made because I like to see the food. And the rice you see also.
Roti one roti.
Roti?
No, this egg no one roti.
One egg roti. Yes.
Ane summa roti nu bodu. Ema. Blend roti. Ema. Ane photo kodtarava? Okay. You two okay? You two eating? Two.
Yeah.
Oh.
We can split. Yeah.
No, you two have. Okay, good.
Yes.
This one roti paratha.
Okay.
No egg.
No egg?
No egg.
Oh.
You okay? Like?
Yes, of course. I like everything. I like everything.
This roti.
Roti.
This roti.
Okay. And this paratha?
No. This
Also roti.
This paratha.
This paratha, this egg roti.
Egg roti. Yeah.
Okay.
Paratha.
What do you eat?
Okay.
What do you? Roti? Okay.
I'm drinking.
You're drinking?
Yeah.
What?
This side place. Drinking. I'm working. No, today no working.
No working.
I'm small drink.
What do you drink?
Yeah. Beer.
Beer?
Yeah.
Okay. After maybe we go have a beer.
You come, okay. That's good. I'm good boy.
Good boy, yes, I can see you're a very honest man.
I'm this place working.
You're working?
Yeah.
Okay.
You.
The card.
My.
Card. Your card. Okay.
Identity. Sri Lanka identity.
Oh, nice. Old also.
Sri Lanka.
Good.
This is my address.
Okay.
My name.
I can't read, but I know. Okay.
മുട്ട റൊട്ടി ഉണ്ട് ഇവിടെ സുമ്മ റൊട്ടിയാണ് പറയാം.
What is it? Yeah, it's good.
Oh, cutting.
Cutting more? I like big piece. Egg roti. And I put chicken gravy
Yeah, okay.
on top. Spicy gravy. Okay. You are preparing yours here, yes?
Yes.
Prepare food. Okay, well, let's try it. You can probably not see me, but
Roti.
roti.
Good.
How do I say good?
This is a gravy. That's it.
I need to put more, yes.
Okay. Good.
Very good. You like it? No? No good. No good? Gravy no good? Oh. Chili.
Ane, baru
Too spicy?
Ane, where ana?
Only chicken gravy.
Chicken gravy. Okay.
Okay, tu punya.
Very spicy.
It's okay for me, I like spicy.
Very chili.
Very chilly.
Yeah.
You don't like? I like.
Right?
Spicy, good. We get some water. Okay, I think you can see now the roti. Very nice roti. Very good.
Chili you like? Chili?
Chili, I like
Right?
it.
Take.
No, now it's okay.
자, 우다리. sambal sambal. Ah, okay. Get take come.
Okay. I'll try some chili.
Chili.
සම්බන්ධ වචනේ ඕඩි දිනවා. තින්ගේ මාක.
아니, 군나. 아니. 라이스 할때 sambal 라이스.
Little bit.
It's very spicy.
Very spicy. Okay.
Small spicy. This is very
More spicy. This even more spicy.
Very spicy.
군노나.
Okay. I'll try it. Maybe Sri Lanka will give me a challenge after all. On the spicy. After that chicken everything. Let's see. Let's see if spicy. I didn't put a lot, to be honest, so. I don't like so much chili flakes. Okay, let's finish this. Okay, we are done with the roti. Wow, that was very nice. And it was so cheap. It was 350 for two. So that means 175. So it was 175 for one. That's 50 cents.